Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to teach you how to do the single crochet. Alright, so what I have here is I've chained 10 because this is how long I want my project to be. If I want it longer, I'm going to go ahead and add on more chains. Once you get to the size required or that you want, then you want to go ahead and chain 1. Because we're learning the single crochet. If we were learning the double crochet, you would chain 2. If we were learning the triple crochet, you would chain 3. Okay, so I've already chained 1. On the single crochet, you want to skip the first stitch, and that's the stitch or the little bumps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, so you want to skip the first bump and you want to go into the next bump. So you want to insert your hook, you want to yarn over, and you want to pull out like that, and then you want to yarn over again to grab the yarn, and you want to pull through both. That is a single crochet right there. So you're going to do this all the way down. So let's do another one. I'm going to go in, yarn over, come out, you got 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and you're going to go through both 1 and 2. Okay, you're going to do it again. There's another bump right there. You're going to go in there. Okay, I'm using the back of this finger to fill when I'm already through. All right, yarn over, pull through. So I got 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Next one, insert, pull out. You got 2 loops. You're gonna yarn over, go through both loops. Insert your hook here, yarn over, go through both hooks. Insert your hook, yarn over. Make sure you watch your tension. You can let go and then re-tension yourself. Pull out and go through both loops. Next one. Okay, so this is the last one. Do both loops. Okay, once you're here, you're all the way at the end. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want to count it. I got 10. This is just for practice. You don't have to do it with every project, but this helps to make sure that your project comes out straight. If you don't count, then especially in the beginning, then it's going to come out like this because you're skipping stitches or you're going to add an extra stitch or whatever. So always count each bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, once you got your 10, so it's like this, right? You're going to turn it over. You're going to make sure that the string is in the back like this. That. You're going to retension. You're going to get yourself ready. Okay, what are we going to do? Chain 1 because that's the height of the next stitch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to work in the next stitch right here. Just right here in the little hole. You'll see it in the little hole right there. See that hole? Put your middle finger right over it. Insert and pull through. You got 2 loops. Take them both off, just like that. And you're just gonna keep doing that all the way down. So you're gonna put your hook down, turn your work, then you would chain 1 right here, and then you just keep going. There you go, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will answer them. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.